Critical gain measurement in Connexx 9. In case your client experiences feedback problems, you can perform a critical gain measurement. Open the Critical Gain tab in the First Fit menu. Without a measurement, you will see a statistical critical gain in the curve view. Make sure the hearing aids sit correctly in your client's ears. Click on Start to conduct the measurement for the desired ear. Now you see the measured critical gain in the curve view. The target gain overlaps with the critical gain curve. The gain curve, however, has automatically been adjusted to avoid the area of critical gain. If necessary, you can discard the measurement by clicking this button, or decide to not use the measured critical gain.